What is up, guys? This is Fox. I went paintballing with a buddy and decided to record it because why not? So, I hope you guys do enjoy, and we're gonna jump right into this.
Ready? Ow, that hurt. Hit me, but didn't splatter. Oh. Oh.
Now, here I got shot in the top of the shoulder and couldn't tell that it did not splatter on me because I couldn't see it through my helmet. And honestly, I think it's a little confusing, and I don't know. It just kind of put me off a little bit. Now, I didn't know until I watched the recording, but apparently there's an enemy right on the other side of the cover I was at. But that didn't really matter anyway because I ended up kill trading with an enemy player.
I put it down for a second because I was trying to get the paint off me. Oh, that ricocheted off me, thankfully. Oh, these are inaccurate as hell. Yes, I got him! I got him across the way.
Now at this point, it turns out I'm the only player left on my team alive, but it's only short-lived because I run out of ammo, causing the game to be over.
That's dry.
Here you'll see the camera a little bit pushed up against the cover there, but that's because I was looking through the cracks through the wood and peering at an enemy who was just on the other side of the tree line, who I never actually managed to hit because he was too far away.
I'm out of ammo!
And this is where I noticed that I ran out of ammo, and I tried to shout to one of my teammates to give me some, but the ref said they couldn't do that because they were dead players.
Did I kill him?
Which one?
Him across the way. Did I get you?
No. Go in.
Damn.
Hold your fire.
Now this is where they have me run the gauntlet, which is where I have to run from one side of the map to the other and back, and without a gun, while I have everybody else shooting at me. Now we went with a group of 7 people, counting myself, so I had 6 people shooting at me, 3 on each side.
He has to get down there and back. Don't stop shooting. Running the gauntlet in 5. Go, go, go.
So right here, this middle cover, I flip right over it and land right on my rear. And honestly, I think it was the least painful part of the whole run.
Jesus fucking Christ. Ow. This hurts more than Airsoft.
a lot more than Airsoft. They're much heavier and larger, so they hurt more and sting longer. Now, learning my lesson from the last time, I didn't actually flip over it. I just kind of did a sideways spin over.
Motherfucker, the barrels!
Now, I lose track of the barrels and then slide in the mud just to find out I was maybe 30 feet off.
It's way more than Airsoft.
Yeah, no, yeah, it does. You good though? That's good stuff.
Yo, props to you,
Bro, that was props.
You have paint all over. Like, you're gonna go home and be a fucking hero, alright?
You good?
I was super out of breath, man. I am just happy that I managed to complete it
Not out of
and
breath.
get to go home what he says a hero. Now this time, another person in our group decided he wanted to run it, but I feel bad for him because he only made it halfway after being shot in the head 3 times and giving up. Now here, I accidentally shoot him right in the top of the head by accident, and I feel really bad. So, if he's watching this, I'm sorry, man. I didn't mean to.
I got him right there. I saw it.
I got him right in the head, like right where the...
Crotch shot.
Did I make it look easy?
Yeah.
Dude,
After all, he did
right
make
there.
it halfway,
Right.
so good job, man. Good job.
Yeah, see?
Yeah, someone hit me in the back of the head. I don't know who that was.
I hit you like right here.
My helmet keeps falling
And then Michael got the cheap
Not
shot.
yet. Let me take the barrel cover off.
This time around, we end up doing a team deathmatch because we still had plenty of ammo to go for one more game after running the gauntlet. But, of course, of my luck, I end up getting shot right after killing someone, so it ended up being very short anyway.
Surrender!
Now, these guys at Xplex have their bang roll as surrender. Now, as soon as I finished yelling it, I got shot in the wrist again and slid.
Tell it to
So
stop!
that was game over for me.
paint all over your head.
Edward, now you know how I feel.
No, not Victor. That can't
Now looks like you got shot in the head.
Well, paintball hurts more than Airsoft. I'm calling it official. So,
But paintballing's still awesome.
Put their barrel covers on.
yeah, but then you're covered in paint, and it's kind of eh. Anyway, that's game over. This full of paintballs, and then I'm out for the day. So, once I run out,
Now, after doing a few rounds, we ended up going
Oh.
against some pros who
You're so
decided they
kind.
were going to join us, but
Thank you.
I only had about half the tank worth of paint left for the day, and this guy was so polite to actually fill it up the rest of the way, which I really
Props
appreciate.
to this
So,
guy.
if he is watching, I want to thank him for
Thanks,
that.
man.
Hey, buddy. How's that mask?
What?
How does that mask work? Can you see good out of it?
I can see pretty good out of it.
What's up? I was looking at this.
Thank you. Well, I better catch up with my team. Ass looking gun.
Looking gun. Hey, you got some crazy ass fucking weapons on. I like those.
Yeah, he plays Airsoft.
That's what's up. And he plays Airsoft and he's coming out of paintball? What's up? That's what's up.
I mean, might as well try it, right?
Ready? Yeah.
Also, at this point in the day, the lens over my GoPro is very foggy, so I do want to apologize for the foggy video.
Oh, that splattered off the thing and into my face.
Now, I have people telling me doing somersaults is not useful and blah blah blah, but you know what?
Tell me a
I like doing it
somersault won't
because it's
help.
fun. I've been practicing it for years. Now, here I have someone maybe 40 feet in front of me behind another cover, and I did a good job of doing what they call winning the corner, because I kept my head poked out, but every time he tried to peek out, I'd shoot, keeping his head down, which also did a very good job of preventing him from shooting other teammates. Now, after holding this spot for so long, someone on the other team managed to come around and hit me because I'd been in one place too long.
Hey, right here.
I mean, that's kind of how the game goes,
hit right
so
here?
I'm not going to complain, and that just kind of runs right
Hey,
around
I'm already hit, man.
after being shot while I was already dead, of course.
I need bullets.
Hey man, if you could send me that video, that'd be awesome.
I'm gonna post it on my Airsoft channel if you want to check out the channel. And
YouTube?
yeah,
Definitely, bro. I'll even subscribe for you.
hell yeah, cause I have like 16 subscribers, so I kind of just starting, you know.
Well, if you do good content and plus paintball, I can probably get you a lot more than just 14.
Oh yeah.
Put you on my Instagram and everything.
I literally just made an Instagram for my team too. I think that was like.
I've seen this guy run and do a fucking flip into the bunker.
Who said somersault won't help?
Somersault into the bunker.
Say I'm crazy enough to do that.
I got a picture of it.
Hey, I got it first person video. I got a somersault. I mean, my first video, I have a somersault where I dive somersaulted across the an opening and medicked someone real good. So.
No. Jeremiah's going.
I'm going right.
No.
Hey, I'm going that back corner.
I'm gonna be conservative on ammo.
Ended up not using much ammo anyway, because right here I got shot right in the helmet. Now, of course, I put my hand up, and right in plain view, just to get shot in the side of the neck twice.
Wait!
Ah, lovely.
Jesus Christ!
You took it to the head? Didn't call it. No. First time you got hit was up here.
No, I did this.
I didn't see you. You were like,
I was behind the cover, but I had my hand raised above the cover. And then I got shot in the neck after I had my hand up for a good 3 seconds.
I rewatched the recording about 3 times. I had my hand up for exactly 3 seconds, too.
So, a second I got behind cover, bam, like, God damn it. And I raised my hand, and as soon as I start to walk forward, bam, bam, twice, right there.
That's really what the scarf was for, but because it was twice, it knocked the scarf out of the way, making room for the second one to hit me right in the bare skin. I'm not going to whine about it or anything, because the ref did actually yell at the people who pulled that, so I'm just glad the ref actually did his job.
To the left.
got somebody out of 12 straight down, but I got him right here.
All right.
Worry about the left.
See left, yeah. Yeah? Yeah, I got 2 straight here at 11 o'clock. I'm trying to keep their heads down, but I ain't got much ammo. I got maybe 10, 15 shots left.
They were actually telling me that there was an enemy in the woods, and
Got
I
him.
couldn't hear
Got
them
one.
well enough
Got
to
one
actually
straight here.
know that.
Oh, they're both
And
dead.
then, because they both
Is that
died at the
game?
same time, I thought it was game over, which ended up getting me killed because I wasn't paying attention. This really concludes my day at Xplex Paintball, but I do want to go back soon because they're fairly close and they have their own airsoft field. But I do hope you guys enjoyed because I definitely did.
Nice.
It was a new experience for me because I've never played paintball before, and I had a lot of fun. So I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching me do somersaults and shoot paint at people. But I will catch you guys on the flip side, and this is Fox signing off.